Why does your scanner show the P0315 engine code? What does it mean? P0315 is a diagnostic trouble code for crankshaft position system variation, not learn. It indicates that the PCM has detected a fault involving the crankshaft position system. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty crankshaft position sensor. Damaged crankshaft position sensor wiring. Incorrect crankshaft position relearn procedure. PCM issues. Crankshaft damage. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Honda, Nissan, Chrysler, Toyota, Chevrolet, and Audi. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.